In this video, I'll guide you through how to open a savings account in CIBC. Whether you're looking to save for a rainy day or plan for a big purchase, opening a savings account is a key step in managing your finances. Let's get started. First, you'll need to visit the official CIBC banking website. If you prefer, you can also use the CIBC mobile app, which offers the same functionality. Both platforms are user-friendly, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're on the site or in the app, navigate to the Savings Accounts section. Here, you'll find a variety of account options. Take a moment to compare these options carefully. Each account type will have different features, benefits, and fees, so it's important to select the one that best aligns with your savings goals and financial needs. After you've made your choice, click on the Apply Now button. This will take you to the application form where you'll need to enter your personal information. Make sure to provide accurate details such as your full name, address, phone number, and email. This information is crucial for setting up your account and ensuring you receive important communications from the bank. The next step is to verify your identity. You'll need a valid government-issued ID for this part. It's a standard procedure that helps protect your account from identity theft. In addition, you may be asked to provide your social insurance number. This is often required for tax purposes, so have it handy. Before you submit your application, take the time to review all the account details, terms, and fees. Understanding these aspects is essential, as they will affect how you use your account. Make sure there are no surprises down the line by familiarizing yourself with any potential charges or conditions associated with your new account. Once you've thoroughly reviewed everything and feel confident in your choice, go ahead and submit your application. If everything checks out, you should receive approval shortly. Upon approval, you can fund your new savings account. You might do this via an electronic transfer from another account or by depositing funds directly at a CIBC branch. And that's how to open a savings account in CIBC. It's a straightforward process designed with your convenience in mind. By following these steps, you can start saving and working towards your financial goals right away. Thanks for watching and happy saving.